Hey Russell fam, in today's video we're going to do a homeschool mom day in the life. Be back in just a second. Hi, my name is Becky and welcome to our Russell's Loving Life YouTube channel. Here on this channel we talk about homeschooling, homemaking, and everything in between. I'm a homeschooling mom of 2 and I have been homeschooling since 2012. We also have a blog, which is russellslovinglife.com. There, I give you tips and tricks and things that I have learned through my years of homeschooling. If you are new, please consider subscribing and clicking that little bell notification down at the bottom. That just lets you know every time we upload a new video. And if you're a returning Russell fam, we are so glad you are back. If you have been around this channel for a while, you knew we rode out Hurricane Sally 7 months ago. And we are here back at the beach in Orange Beach. And due to all the repairs and everything that are still going on 7 months later, we are not able to get into the condo. And if you did not see any of those videos or any of the pictures that I've taken, I'll insert a few pictures here. And I will leave some videos up in the iCard. There's 2 of them up there. One is going to be leading up to Hurricane Sally. The other one is going to be the aftermath of Hurricane Sally. And anyway, we found this amazing house here in Orange Beach that I wanted to share with you, that if you are ever in this area, I will leave a link down to their Emerald Coast by Owner page so you can check them out. This is not a sponsored video. This is not a paid video. This is just something I wanted to share with y'all that we have found here in Orange Beach. It is an amazing house. Thank you so much to the owners for letting us rent this house for them while we were here. We had this vacation planned for a while, and the condo was supposed to be finished around the 1st of April, but due to all of the rain, the massive hailstorm they had last week here in Orange Beach, it's just not ready. So instead of canceling our trip, because y'all know the beach is my happy place, I found another amazing place to stay at. So I'm going to show you some videos and some pictures. And this is a great place. If you're in the area, make sure to check out their link down in the description box. I hope y'all found this video to be helpful if you're ever in the Orange Beach area, because I know there's so many people that are just wanting to get out, enjoy some beautiful sunshine, and this is the perfect place if you don't even want to leave the house. Believe me, because we have found so much to do here. We just are so happy and could just stay here. But we got to get out and about a little bit. But if you want to check it out, again, make sure to check out the description box. I'll leave the link down there. As always, remember to be kind, be careful, be considerate, and have a great day. Bye.